I'm hungry. Is that a cow here? Oh, frick, you just beat up that bitch. Where's the damn cow when you need it? Move! Move! No! Move! 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 Fuck it. I respond to both of us. Move! Oh, you're not gonna get away. Stupid shit. I respond in the wrong place. I'm gonna get a bat this time. Move! Oh. Down. Car that's wrong, fuck. Ow. Mom. Sorry, boy. You gotta go. Boy. Oh, perfect, we got a camera now. Oh, yeah, now we could record how we cook this beef. Ooh, you could go in. Ooh. Oh, look at his ugly ass hands. Disgusting. Vito?
What?
I gave you a cow to cook for us.
Where is it?
It's outside. It gave me lots of problems. Look at that fat ass, ugly ass motherfucking cow.
Are you sure that's a cow?
It's big. It's big.
I'll cook it tomorrow. Right now it's too late.
But
Tomorrow! Tomorrow.
Hardest.
Tomorrow.
I want that food!
Tomorrow.
Oh. Well, tomorrow you see you in little pieces.
So first, you gotta cut up the lemon so that way you can spray it onto the meat first. Tell me, I know, like, tell me what a good amount is so I can like know when to stop. Tell me I don't overdo it. And you want to get 1 tablespoon of all-season salt so that way you can use it for anything you want, whether it's beef or chicken or anything, and just spread it around evenly. What? No. Alright, so for this step we're gonna need to put charcoal inside so that way we can actually have some fuel to keep the fire burning. We're gonna put this inside. It's a good amount. So that's like a good amount because we're not gonna be cooking a lot today. So this is a good amount. Put in the center, and then we just put the rest of the circle away. So also another life hack you can do is you can get Cheetos, not sponsored, and you can put it in the ridges or in the edges of the charcoal because it helps it catch fire.
No, it goes well with any chips too.
So now after you put the Cheetos there, you can put a piece of paper in the middle. You can get like a napkin or something, roll it up, put it in the middle, and then get a match, light it. Clean off all the grease. So now that most of it is clean, you can just give it like another brush if you want, or you can just clean it with the onion. It'll clean it and also give it a little bit more flavor. Now we're done. Right, so now we're gonna get the prepared meat that we had from inside already, and we're gonna start putting it on the grill. So you see how it's like marinated and has like lime and everything? Now we're gonna just put it on the grill.
Oh, you hear that sizzling?
Hear that sizzle?
You're gonna put one?
I know that, like first I do want to get that nice little sizzle in. Like just like do all of them or what? What the heck?
What?
Cause now there's like 4 pieces of meat.
What?
There you go. Wait, we should get
Okay.
a plate.
When you have this cook, we just wait. Just wait till it gets cooked. You know, it's not that hard. You could tell when it's getting cooked. You could hear the sizzling and shit. You're gonna need is some items to put your meat in, and a person.
Okay, so now as we're waiting for the meat to cook, we're gonna bring out the cutting board, the knife, and then we're gonna have this little place to put the meat after you cut it. That way it'll stay away from the flies and it won't get contaminated with anything.
Good boy.
Alright, so as you could see earlier in the video, we had some extra space left on the grill. So now we're just going to get the prepared chicken that we already had.
Oh, here.
And we're going to put it onto the grill.
Do that soon, Vito. You do it. You do it. On the grill.
Alright, so we already have the beef already nice and cooked. So now we're going to get it with the fork that we wouldn't burn our hands.
Oh yeah, okay.
We can just like sit over again. And from here we can cook the actual meat. That way we can prepare it nicely into this bin over here. No, right here. No. You put it here.
That's why we bought that. Well, Beto right here is gonna do the rest.
Do it. Just put it in here.
So when you're done cutting and all that, it doesn't matter how you cut it, you're gonna eat it.
Yeah.
No way.
So are you recording already?
Yeah, he's been recording. That's what I've been
So
talking.
once you're done cutting it, you can cut it any way you want, right? Because you're gonna be the one eating. But once you cut it in the piece that you're gonna cut it, you can just put it into the bin, cover it, and that way it'll be safe away from flies, and you won't get sick from anything.
I feel okay.
Alright.